welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna share my maintenance routine. So basically I'm gonna share all my tips and tricks that I do for my at-home maintenance. I don't go to nail salons or like wax ladies or nothing like this, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it at home and some things that you can buy to pamper yourself at home without costing an arm and a leg and just pain. So let's get into the video. So I'm gonna start with the nails. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I use and where you guys can find them for the most part. So yeah, we're gonna do some press-on nails, my new holy grail. I could do acrylic, but it takes me a long time and I'm over it. I don't want to like take 8 hours to do acrylic nails, no. So I just do press-ons. I've been doing press-ons for a moment now. I really like them. They're easy to remove, they're easy to put on. I have a book that I made where I keep my press-ons, even when like they're beat up, they need a refresh. I still keep them because I know I can refresh them. It's really easy. I have these press-ons here that I bought from Amazon. So now that we've picked our sizes, we can move on to actually going ahead and decorate the press-on nail. So go ahead and just like do some designs. So what I got in my mind is I'm gonna do like a creamy white with sharp white lines, like a French side tip, and probably add some gems in there. We'll see, but yeah, so this is what I'm going for. So now I'm going to use my little nail stand. I got this nail stand from Amazon as well. This is so fun. I love doing this, I'm not gonna lie. Like I really enjoy doing my own nails. You get to like, especially press on nails, it takes like half the time to do that, to do your nails. Like I love this. The only time it might take a little longer is if you're doing like some crazy nail art, but other than that it's super fast, so I love it. I started doing press-on at home. Like I really just started to do stuff like this, like DIYs like this on my own, when I realized like my mom didn't really want to pay. Like she didn't really, at one point she did, but like especially when I was younger, when I was young, like I understand now, but I've paid to do like services before and sometimes it's just not the best experience. So I was just like, you know what, let me just, if I'm about to pay a whole bunch of money and I don't even get like good service, like I'm just gonna learn how to do this myself, because I really can just do this myself. So and especially I had like social anxiety, so I just like learned how to do a couple of stuff myself, and I was just like, that's that. And till this day, like I don't really need like this pamper. I feel like when you go to someone, you really go to someone to get pampered and to have the experience of like not doing anything and someone doing it for you and just taking care of you in a sense, and you just have to relax and just let it get done. But I for some reason I kind of like to get my hands in there. Like I don't know, like just letting someone do it, I don't know, it's just like I don't know, I feel like if I can do it myself, then why not do it myself? I don't know, that's just me, but you know, yeah. Okay y'all, and there you have it for this video. So these are my nails. Honestly, I love, oh, I got makeup on them. Sorry, I got makeup on them, but I love them. They're so cute. Like this is my first time playing with big gems. Well, with gems, like actual gems, and I love it. Like they're really cute, to be honest. I ate it up. Yes. So an easy design, and it's really cute. I really wanted it to be gold because my thing is gold, but I don't have any gold like gems or nothing, so the silver will do fine. But yeah y'all, so I promise y'all, like they are sturdy, okay? They are sturdy, like I promise y'all. Like I was terrified of wearing, that's why I didn't even go with the business that I wanted to do, because I was talking over myself and that I was so scared that this would not last on my fingers. Like I was like, oh my gosh, like it's not gonna last. Like I don't like the feel of press on nails. I was like, no, I don't want to do that. I prefer the acrylic, but I promise y'all, it is sturdy. Like, okay, I'm tapping hard, okay, and it stays. It stays, and I just did them, so you know. So this is how basically I do my nail maintenance. So next I'm gonna go back. I'm not gonna do that on camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my toes. I'm gonna remove the polish that I have right now on my toes, and I usually do white. Well, I do white all the time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my toes white again, so it's gonna match my nails. But yeah, my toes are gonna be white, and I'm using gel as well, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little trim, and that's that. I'm not gonna put everything in one video. This is just this for this one. I am going to do more of the maintenance though. It's just realistically, honestly, there's times the body maintenance, I usually do that the same day, but like the nail, the hair, all of that, I don't usually do that the same day. It happens sometimes, yes, but not all the time. Like, so I'm gonna do them in different videos. So this is basically my process for my like nails, toes, spa day. So yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was insightful. Hopefully you got something from it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll definitely see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe, and I will see you in the next one, which is coming pretty soon. Bye y'all.